Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled What are LLMs and why developers care? Your super smart AI intern. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of LLMs, large language models. Forget complex jargon. Think of an LLM as your new, incredibly smart AI intern who understands and generates human-like text. You don't need any prior AI or machine learning knowledge. We're building from scratch, focusing on how you, as a developer, can harness this power. What exactly is an LLM? At its core, an LLM is a colossal digital brain specifically designed to understand, process, and generate human language. It's large because it's been trained on an astronomical amount of text data, literally the internet's worth of books, articles, code, and web pages. It's a language model because its fundamental job is to model language, predicting the next most probable word in a sequence based on everything it's learned, making it sound incredibly human. How does this brain actually work? Imagine your phone's predictive text, but on a cosmic scale. When you give an LLM a prompt, like write a Python function too, it doesn't think or understand in a human sense. Instead, it uses its vast training to statistically determine the most probable next word, then the next, and the next, until it forms a coherent, contextually relevant response. It's an incredibly sophisticated pattern matching machine for language, not a sentient being. This isn't just a fancy chatbot. Your AI intern can perform a wide array of text-based tasks. Generate code. Write me a JavaScript function to validate an email address. Summarize text. Give me the key points of this long research paper. Translate languages. Translate this paragraph from English to German. Brainstorm ideas. Give me 5 creative ideas for a new mobile app. Write creative content. Draft a social media post for our new product launch. Answer questions. Explain the concept of APIs simply. Essentially, if it involves understanding or generating text, an LLM can likely help. As a developer, LLMs are absolute game changers for your daily workflow. Code generation. Asterisk stuck on boilerplate code or unfamiliar syntax. Write a SQL query to select all users older than 30. Instant code. Debugging assistant. Asterisk getting an error message? Paste it in. Why is this Java code throwing a null pointer exception? It can often pinpoint issues and suggest fixes. Learning new tech. Asterisk unsure how to use a new library or framework. Show me how to make an HTTP post request using Axios in Node.js. Get example code directly. Documentation and comments. Asterisk speed up writing explanations for your functions or even entire project documentation. Beyond personal productivity, developers integrate LLMs into their own software to create powerful, intelligent applications. Smart customer support bots. Asterisk an AI handling initial customer queries, freeing up human agents. Content creation tools. Asterisk apps that help users draft marketing copy, blog posts, or personalized emails. Intelligent search. Asterisk a search feature that understands complex questions, not just keywords. Personalized experiences. Asterisk applications that tailor content or recommendations based on nuanced user input. As a developer, you don't need to build an LLM from scratch. You learn to talk to existing ones through their APIs, unlocking immense power for your projects. So, how do you, as a developer, actually use an LLM? APIs. Application programming interfaces. This is your main gateway. Think of an API as a menu of commands that allows your code to talk to the LLM. You send a text prompt, your instructions, to the API, and the LLM sends back a text response. Asterisk simple example. Asterisk you'd write a few lines of Python or JavaScript, etc. code, send your prompt as a string, and print the LLM's answer. It's just like making any other API call you've encountered. But the service on the other end is your super smart AI intern. This is where you transition from understanding to building. LLMs are rapidly evolving, fundamentally changing how we develop and interact with technology. As a developer, understanding and leveraging these models isn't just a trend. It's becoming a foundational skill. You now have the power to create innovative applications, streamline your own workflows, and solve complex problems in ways previously unimaginable. This is just the beginning of your journey. Let's build the future together. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.